Achieving excellence in any field requires dedication, strategy, and a willingness to continuously improve. Whether you aim to excel in your career, a sport, an art form, or any other endeavor, the path to becoming the best is often challenging but highly rewarding. Here are 5 essential strategies to help you reach the pinnacle of success in any area of your life. Number 1. Set clear goals. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals is crucial for success. Clear goals provide direction and a sense of purpose, helping you stay focused and motivated. How to implement. Break down your ultimate goal into smaller, manageable milestones. Write down your goals and review them regularly. Adjust your goals as necessary to stay on track and motivated. Number 2. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset, as coined by psychologist Carol Dweck, involves believing that your abilities can be developed through hard work, dedication, and learning from failures. This mindset encourages persistence and resilience. How to implement. Embrace challenges and view them as opportunities to learn. Celebrate your progress and efforts, not just the end results. Learn from criticism and use it constructively. Number 3. Commit to continuous learning. To become the best, you must commit to lifelong learning and self-improvement. Staying updated with the latest trends, skills, and knowledge in your field is essential. How to implement. Regularly read books, attend workshops, and take courses related to your field. Seek mentorship and advice from experts and peers. Reflect on your experiences and learn from them. Number 4. Practice deliberately. Deliberate practice involves focused, structured, and purposeful practice aimed at improving performance. It's not just about putting in hours, but about practicing effectively. How to implement. Break down complex skills into smaller components and practice them individually. Set specific objectives for each practice session. Seek feedback and continuously refine your techniques. Number 5. Maintain balance and well-being. Achieving greatness requires not only hard work, but also maintaining your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. A balanced lifestyle enhances productivity and sustainability. How to implement. Prioritize self-care, including regular exercise, healthy eating, and adequate sleep. Manage stress through relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga. Foster a support network of family, friends, and colleagues. Becoming the best in anything is a journey that requires clear goals, a growth mindset, continuous learning, deliberate practice, and a balanced lifestyle. By integrating these strategies into your daily routine, you can steadily progress towards excellence and achieve your highest potential. Remember, the path to greatness is a marathon, not a sprint, and consistent effort and dedication will lead you to success. By following these strategies, you can set yourself on the path to becoming the best in your chosen field. Keep pushing forward, stay dedicated, and never stop striving for excellence.